Hello everyone, welcome to the pamphlet. In a big news from Tamil Nadu, CM MK Stalin has announced non-implementation of the PM Vishwakarma scheme in the state. Writing a letter to Union MSME Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi, Stalin stated that the central government did not approve modifications in the scheme suggested by the Tamil Nadu government, hence the decision. Notably, in an earlier letter by Tamil Nadu government to PM Narendra Modi, the TN government had requested some modifications in the scheme to make it more inclusive. Why were modifications needed? Were it really needed or just plain politics from DMK government? Is MK Stalin depriving artisans of Tamil Nadu from economic betterment? Watch this video to know more. PM Vishwakarma scheme is a central government scheme which aims to benefit traditional Indian artisans, craftsmen by helping them develop and upgrade their skills. Those interested can apply for this government scheme if they match the criteria. On the screen, you can see the list of eligibility criteria. Now, one of the main criteria which has become a point of political contention, let me quote, an artisan or craftsperson working with hands and tools and engaged in one of the 18 family-based traditional trades mentioned in the scheme. This is mandatory. The applicant should be involved in the family-based traditional trade. On the screen, you can see the eligible trades such as carpenter, goldsmith, potter, etc. But for some reason, CM MK Stalin believes this scheme discriminates based on caste. Even when the scheme gets criteria not according to caste, but according to the skills and traditional family trade. Only CM MK Stalin can tell us what is the basis for his conclusion. We did not find mention of caste or religion in any of the eligibility criterions. The scheme is designed in a way that it will benefit artisans of 18 family-based traditional trades. Their economic upliftment and well-being is the focus. Now, artisans of any caste or religion will benefit economically from the scheme. The scheme is to promote the economic betterment of Indian traditional artisans and not discriminate based on their caste. That's how it appears to us after we checked all the facts. Furthermore, this scheme is not meant for every artisan in India. If we read its objectives, the scheme talks about development of traditional artisans and craftsmen while preserving their rich traditions.
साथियों, हमारे यहाँ गांव-गांव में ऐसे परिवार हैं जो पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी अपने हुनर को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। कौन सा गांव ऐसा होगा जहां बाल काटने वाले, जूते बनाने वाले, कपड़े धोने वाले, राजमिस्त्री, बढ़ई, कुम्हार, लोहार, सुनार ऐसे हुनरमंद परिवार नहीं है। ऐसे परिवारों को सपोर्ट करने के लिए ही अब भारत सरकार ने, जिसका अभी उल्लेख अजीत दादा ने भी किया, भारत सरकार ने पीएम विश्वकर्मा योजना भी शुरू की है।
But CM MK Stalin seems adamant to not implement PM Vishwakarma scheme in Tamil Nadu. Instead, he has said the state government will devise a scheme of its own for artisans. What is your opinion on this decision by Tamil Nadu CM MK Stalin? Do tell us in the comment section. If you liked our video, then kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on other social media platforms.